Hello kids. Let's learn 20 amazing words of letter R. Can you say them with me? Let's go. It is a red flower with thorns. What is this? Rose. Can you say it? Rose. R is for rose. It is something we wear to stay dry in rain. What is this? Raincoat. Can you say it? Raincoat. R is for raincoat. It is a long grain food we eat daily. What is this? Rice. Can you say it? Rice. R is for rice. It is a colorful arc in the sky after rain. What is this? Rainbow. Can you say it? Rainbow. R is for rainbow. It is a toy that rolls on wheels. What is this? Roller. Can you say it? Roller. R is for roller. It is a small stone. What is this? Rock. Can you say it? Rock. R is for rock. It is something we use to draw lines. What is this? Ruler. Can you say it? Ruler. R is for ruler. It is a small animal with long ears that hops. What is this? Rabbit. Can you say it? Rabbit. R is for rabbit. It is a cute animal that looks like a small bear. What is this? Raccoon. Can you say it? Raccoon. R is for raccoon. It is a wild animal that hunts other animals. What is this? Rat. Can you say it? Rat. R is for rat. It is a wild animal with a horn on its nose. What is this? Rhinoceros. Can you say it? Rhinoceros. R is for rhinoceros. It is something we wear on our finger. What is this? Ring. Can you say it? Ring. R is for ring. It is water falling from the sky. What is this? Rain. Can you say it? Rain. R is for rain. It is a red color fruit with seeds inside. What is this? Red. Can you say it? Red. R is for red. It is a place with water and boats. What is this? River. Can you say it? River. R is for river. It is a fruit that is small and juicy. What is this? Raspberry. Can you say it? Raspberry. R is for raspberry. It is a vehicle with two wheels. What is this? Rickshaw. Can you say it? Rickshaw. R is for rickshaw. It is a place where people eat food. What is this? Restaurant. Can you say it? Restaurant. R is for restaurant. It is a place where people live. What is this? Room. Can you say it? Room. R is for room. Great job! You learned so many new words today. Want to learn more fun words? Subscribe our channel for next video on letter S.